Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we'll talk about purchase trade agreement. Okay, so let me open this. So we are going to talk about purchase trade agreement (PTA). Yeah, so for this one, I can go to my procurement and sourcing, and here I can collapse this, and I can go to purchase agreement here. I will click on this. Alright, I will click new. This is going to my first purchase trade agreement, and here I can select for any company. So let me go with this one, Fabricum Electronics. Okay, and here we have different types of classification of our purchase trade agreement, so nothing very crazy. So I will go with this general purchase, but the most important thing here is this one, default commitment. Okay, so we have various type of commitment. For example, we want the commitment on the basis of quantity, some kind of pricing, categories and value. So I will go with this quantity. So usually see if you get any kind of discounts that usually based on either cost, right? So for example, you are buying 1 million good. Okay, I know it's big number. Okay, then you want to give certain kind of discounts, right, to your customer. Or either they say that, let's say we are buying cars. Okay, let's say if you are buying car like 1k cars. Okay, and if you buy only 3 4 5 cars, like usually the discounts and the pricing will vary, right? That's why here I'll be focusing specifically on quantity. Assume that if you are, instead of this, let's take the example of mobile phone. Okay, mobile phones. Okay, let's say if you buy the mobile phone between 1 and 100, then you get certain price. Then from your 101 to 1000 or maybe 500, you will get some different kind of pricing, right? So here we are simply doing an agreement. Okay, so I've created the what we call the agreement based on my quantity commitment. Okay, then if you have any again parent one, so you can select this, but for now I will go ahead and will click OK here. Okay, and usually they will also have some kind of deadlines, right? So if you'll go to header section here, currently it is on hold status. Okay, and also here is the effective day, expiration date, when it will expire, right? It is prepared by who, etc information. Okay, all right. Now I'll go to lines. So I will say that assume, let me try to find a product. Okay, let me pick this one. Okay, Microsoft Natural Keyboard. Okay, I will say that if I will get it from this particular warehouse from 111. Okay, and if I buy more than 100, let's say 100, around 100 quantities. Okay, so let me go ahead and check the current pricing of this particular item. So I can go to my release product form. Here I can go to this particular product and I will open this product, and here if you see the price is 39.95. okay, and I assume uh, if I buy this one, I want to, the unit price will be 30. Okay, if I buy 100 quantities, or 100 is too much, so let's call it as 50 only. Okay, and here the expiration date, I will say that it will expire after 1 week from today. I will save this. Okay, as soon as you will save this, go to your header section. Here you will see the status is still this. Okay, and you can hear, alright, here the expiration date and everything is available here. Now what I can do, I can confirm this. So currently you see the 50 quantities are there, so I will go ahead and I will confirm this. So this will be my purchase agreement number, and I want to immediately mark it as effective. If I want to print the report, I can click here, but for now I will disable it. Okay, and I will go ahead, and it is the status is changed to effective. Okay, now what I can do, I can go here, and if I will create a new purchase order, go to procurement and sourcing here, and before that let me, let me go to my purchase order again. Alright, now I will create my purchase order for this particular trade agreement. I will select my vendor, that is that fabricable and electronics one. Here we go, and I'll go to journal here, and here I have the option of my trade agreement. So I will select my this trade agreement, and I will say yes, and I can click OK. Okay, now here what I can do, so I will add my that product, that is that natural Microsoft keyboard here, this one, and I will change my warehouse to 11. Okay, as soon as I will save it, you can see the pricing has been changed. Okay, now further you can see here already the link is here. Okay, you can click on this attached. Okay, here you can see your agreement. Okay, that for 1 unit price, like for per unit, we are going to have 30 as pricing. Okay, and total 50 quantities are there. Okay, and now let me change it to 55, and I will save this. Okay, again if you will click here, you click on this attached. Okay, and further what you can do, you can go to your this trade agreement, sorry, to a purchase agreement, and here you can see the status has been changed because the quantities commitment was 50. Okay, but whereas you are having excessive. Okay, now let's say if you want to remove the link, that you don't want to use this particular trade agreement for this particular purchase order, so you can remove your link from here. Okay, simply click here, and it will say that we are going to change the unit price, everything. You will say OK. As soon as you will click OK here, you can see your pricing now has been changed. Okay, now you are getting the normal pricing. Okay, so for now I will again create the link, and I will click OK. Okay, now here if you see, your pricing has been again changed. So this is how your these purchase agreement are very helpful if you want to get some kind of additional pricing, discount, commitment on the basis of your money or on the basis of your quantities. You can create a purchase agreement, and then you can buy those many quantities, and accordingly you will get your updated pricing, discounts and other stuff. Thank you for watching this video.